Hello, salut à tout le monde, greetings to everyone. Okay, I will try to speak in French and in English so that everybody can understand the video. En fait, l'objectif ici, c'est de vous montrer comment faire les stickers pour WhatsApp. So we want to show you how you can make stickers for WhatsApp. So just follow the process and I will put the link for the application in the description. So follow the process. Suivez tout simplement la procédure. Vous partez dans Play Store. Voici Play Store. Et lorsque vous cliquez sur Play Store, je mets mes data en marche pour que vous voyez. Vous allez voir, vous allez chercher une application qu'on appelle Emoji sticker. Emoji sticker for WhatsApp. So take this one. You take emoji sticker for WhatsApp, and you have it. You have it here. This is it. Emoji sticker for WhatsApp. This is down. You click on it. I already installed it in my phone, so you install it. Vous l'installez dans votre téléphone et vous l'ouvrez dès que c'est installé. Quand l'application est installée, vous allez voir ici le bouton plus. This is the plus. You see it and you see here my stickers. Here my stickers is already, all the stickers I already have. So since we want to create a new stickers, nous allons cliquer ici. We click here on plus, and in our list you come to plus as well. You click here on plus. I will show you. You click on plus. You can now go to your phone gallery. You choose your images, the picture you want to use. Through your gallery, you will find one picture that fits what you want to do. You allow it to open to show the pictures that are in your phone. You see it's opening. Show the picture in your phone, and vous allez sélectionner la photo que vous voulez transformer, vous voulez utiliser pour le projet. Il y a beaucoup de photos, mais je pense que ici je dois aller dans images pour avoir les photos uniquement. Vous excusez un peu là parce que j'essaie d'aller pas à pas pour que tout se montre bien. Oh, ça traîne là. Ok. Ouais, le système. Et c'est ouvert. Tu cliques sur le dossier où tu veux prendre la photo. Et dès que c'est ouvert, tu vas prendre une photo. La photo de ton choix. Hein. Tu prends une photo de ton choix. Et voilà la photo qui s'affiche. C'est ma photo de lutte contre le coronavirus. Vous pouvez voir là. Et j'essaie de cadrer comme je veux. Je peux cadrer soit par le cercle. Vous voyez. Je peux cadrer avec le cercle. I can use the circle or I can use the square. All depend on you. So but this one, I want to show you how to cut. So you can use either the circle or the bed. I want to show you how to use the freehand cut. So, and this will help you to do bigger and more good stickers. So the picture will appear here. So this is the picture. What I do is that I just use my finger. You can just use your finger. You go here. You cut it gradually. You cut it. I'm using my finger. You cannot see it, but I'm using just my finger. J'utilise mon doigt et tu coupes. Ne prends pas trop l'attention. Ça va s'arranger. Cool. You crop. I crop it, and that's it. So now I can reduce. You see this sign that is not really that good. I can balance it with the background. you see, and you will not really realize what is there. So once it isn't cut that way, I save it. I save the picture. Yeah, and this is the picture. You want it to be very big, you open it this way. Yes, you open it this way so that it can look nice. This is the text down under. Tu cliques sur le test et là tu saisis ce que tu vas écrire. Je vais écrire mon nom, Paulenta. Ok, Paulenta Kevo. Et je vais sender Paulenta Kevo. That's it. I just put it here like that. Paulenta Kevo. And I can say add, you know, I can say add another word. I just write bonjour. Now let me just write Jesus. Yeah, I love the name Jesus, my street name. And no, and is it I put it just here corner. I love Jesus, so that's why I chose to put Jesus. And you can change it here. You see up. You can change the color. You can change the color of the text. It look like the blood, so that is it. And yeah, you can do a lot of things. You can balance this one. You can change the way it look like. Okay, all that is really cool and save. You save it. You can create. You create where you want it to go. I can create something like now. I create a new name. I create, okay, I put it Jesus because I love Jesus. I put the name, you see, I put the name Jesus, and I write the name of the author. The author, now I write my name, Paulenta is safe. The saving take the process time, just it's not long, you know. It's saving. Et voilà, elle est enregistrée. Tout doucement. Voilà, elle est enregistrée. Et on demande open using WhatsApp to complete. Okay, I want to open it just once. He's opening WhatsApp. He has sent WhatsApp. Add Jesus to WhatsApp. Yes, I've added it, and it has been saved. So that is it. Since they know I love Jesus, so that is it. You open the WhatsApp now, and you can send it whatever you want to send. So that is simple. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, abonnez-vous à ma page pour avoir beaucoup d'autres tutos qui sont en train de venir. Abonnez-vous à ma page. Merci. Subscribe to my channel, and many good things will come. Thank you so much for supporting my work, and we know that we are all working together to perfect our world. So this is the name of the application. Wemoji is really perfect. So now subscribe, please. This is Paulenta Kevo. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you next time for another tutor.